hope that all of you are doing great. Well, regarding the AI, content AI, basically the AI employees content AI or just the content AI of the Gohighlevel, how does it work? The artificial intelligence is going to let you generate the content. You just give it the idea and it is going to generate the content for you. What kind of content are we talking about? The emails it can generate for you, the social planner, right? The social planner can allow you to post onto the social media, the Facebook, the Instagram, the LinkedIn, any of the social media that you're connecting. You can in fact generate a month long content and schedule it for the posting, and it can keep on generating I mean for the month long. So let me just quickly show you, like, let's say, how does this generate? Let me just generate an email via the content AI, and then we are going to talk about the pricing. So I just click on create a campaign, and there I just choose the blank template, and let's say the plain editor text, right? So there you go. This is how the content is going to be generated. Now let us use something like, okay, promotional, right? And what is the theme of your content? Probably content regarding monthly promotion offer for mobile phones. I mean, it's just a random thought. So I just write a brief description that create a content which tells user come and take mobile phones at exclusive discounts as monthly promotion is on is ongoing right now, right? And then I can just give a keyword, maybe let's say iPhones, Android. What is the writing tone? Probably excited. I can say number of variation. Let's say I just want the two variation. You can have more than two. Let's say the size would be the medium, right? I can even write the small one. And all I do is just click on generate. There you go. Dear tech enthusiast, I mean, this is generated by AI itself. Get ready to dial up the excitement because our mobile mania is in full swing. It's called, this, I mean, your name, whatever we can name it. We are thrilled to announce that our exclusive monthly promotion is ongoing. Imagine holding the power of cutting edge technology right in your palm of your hand. Whether you are an Apple this or Android advocate, this is the moment you have been waiting for. But wait, it gets even better. And what's the offer? iPhones, Android. As you can see, super amazing, right? And this one again, like the second variation. So you can just choose it and just quickly edit it and do the respective thing. And it even helps, like right now, this is an email, as you can see, a detail email, right? Even the social media planner, a lot of times we do not get the idea what kind of post that we want. We just give the idea to the AI, it is going to generate it for us. Super amazing, right? Now, having said that, let me just quickly tell you guys, like, you can, I mean, if you just enter our referral code AI bonuses in the AI employee, you can get super amazing bonuses, as well as we'll be grateful for it. What kind of bonuses I'm talking about? This AI agency snapshot, which sells itself, has all the funnels necessary for the AI automation that you are going to depict to them, as well as like the AI agents are pre-built in this. In fact, the voice AI agent is there within the AI agency snapshot that sells itself, which role plays the respective user. But not just this 127 snapshot plus, super amazing, right? But that is not enough. You're going to get one-to-one personal onboarding for the first client that you onboard with the AI agency, as well as I mean, a lot more benefit, one-to-one personal benefit that we are going to do, give it to you. Now, how do you enter the code? Let me just switch it to the agency view and just show you. Click on the settings, click on the AI employee, click on the manage offer. And here, all you have to do is just put bonuses, AIBONUSES, and click on apply. The moment that you do that, it doesn't mean that you will be charged or you have started using AI employee. No. In the future, whenever that you use AI employee, it makes it relevant. Otherwise, like it is same. It doesn't matter. And you will be never be charged any extra just because you have put the referral code. Like it is the same one. It's just that you will have our back. Like we will provide you one-to-one personal support with your onboarding, with everything, as well as I said, 127 snapshot, which is really going to help you. As you can see, the content AI, super amazing feature of the AI employee, definitely worth it. Must try it. But this standalone, I mean, of course it is good, but if when you're selling for the AI employee unlimited, $97 per month, the voice AI, the conversation AI, this is the entire appointment booking system for any of the clients. Like it is being sold, let me tell you, it is being sold right now crazily. People love the AI thing, and the content AI just includes into that. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope that you liked it. Comment down below for any of the questions. I'll personally answer each one of you. I wish you guys all the best. Bye bye.
Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, founder and CEO of Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. I have been associated with Gohighlevel from the past 4 years. As an independent affiliate, I've done interviews of the CEO, Sean Clark, the co-founder, Varun Varavan, super amazing people. It is available on my YouTube channel. Right now, talking about the AI employee, one of the most disruptive revolution that they have built, the AI employee, especially with the coming AI wave. Now, what I've realized is that the people who are going to be using the AI employee have certain hiccups with them. That number one, like how do I understand this AI employee? Probably the ins and outs of individual functionalities and the setup. Then even if I land the client, how will I onboard the client? First, I'll need to learn the functionality. And then how do I scale this to the new height? So we have crafted this super amazing free bonuses for you. Number one, the AI employee course that we are working on, you're going to get it, which will just ease up the process. How do you understand AI employee? The next is one-to-one personal onboarding of your first AI employee client that you land up. So all you have to focus on is get the client, not how do you onboard it. We are going to assign this Gohighlevel expert who will do the one-to-one personal onboarding for you. The third one is the white labeled AI employee video, where you just plug in and all your sub accounts will be able to use and onboard the AI employee. Isn't that amazing? Now, how do you get it? It will be very easy and it won't cost you anything. All you have to do is just go to the AI employee and put our referral code AI bonuses, AIBONUSES. How do you get it? Like, where do you put it? Go to the settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offers, and just put in the bonus within the FP reference field, AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, and click apply. Now, does that mean you'll be charged because now you have put the referral code? No, it doesn't mean anything. Like, you would not be charged at all. Whenever you'll be using the AI employee in the future, then you will be charged, your client will be charged in the future. That means anytime in the coming time, and that too, like, you will be making the profit, because you'll be only charged when the client activates. And when the client activates, of course, they will be overcharged. They will be charged much more, and the difference will be your profit. So in the future, when you are actually using, then you'll be charged. So this referral code that you put, you would not be charged, and you will be eligible to get the bonuses. So I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching it, and bye-bye.